Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas from A and B. It was the day before Christmas, went all through the town. Not a heater was running, they was all broken down. Everyone was freezing with a chill in the air. It hoped that A and B heating would soon be there. More rapid than eagles, the workers they came. Donnie whistled and shouted and called them by name. Now Harold, now Marcus, now Anthony and Ben, on Chris, Devin, Danny and Dan. When out on the street, there came such a clatter. The family looked out the window to see what was the matter. Along came A and B with tools in their hand, with Donnie shouting, "Fix it, fix all that you can." To the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. Now fix away, fix away, fix away all. They repaired the heat as Danny fixed the pipes. And Donnie said, "Fix them good and fix them up right." He sprang to his truck and gave his team a whistle. And away they all drove, so merry and blissful. And I heard him explain as we drove out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, you be warm and toasty tonight." Merry Christmas all from A and B Heating, Cooling and Plumbing.